Good morning from laststandbrand.com. Well, there you have it. 50 feet of winter kale, imperial kale in this case. It's been in for 370 days. That's right. Picked hundreds of gallons of this last year. It's wintered over, and probably 30 or 40 gallons so far this year. But you see what's happening is the kale plant is trying to do what it's meant to do. It's going through this growth so that it can create seed to promote itself next year. Well, we don't eat kale seeds, so it looks like this crop is going to have to be put to the hatchet. We'll see if this rain provides any relief, but looks like the plant's energy is going into producing flower and stem, not leaves for human consumption. Still some great specimen of imperial kale, but we'll know after this next rain if it's going to make it any further. Like I said, it's just had its birthday. Well, there's some growing tips from laststandbrand.com.